Fix Snapchat video sound not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to fix Snapchat video sound not working, open the Snapchat application on your device firstly and tap on your Bitmoji or your profile icon on the top left of your screen, and then tap on the gear-like icon on the top right of your screen. You will see the option for notifications under My Account. Tap on that and make sure all the toggle buttons in here are toggled on. Now launch the settings application on your device. Scroll down and tap on the Snapchat option. Here make sure the toggle button for microphone along with all the other toggle buttons are toggled on. Also tap on notifications and then tap on banner style and make sure the option for temporary is selected. Also, make sure the toggle button for sounds is also toggled on. See if the issue has been fixed or not. If not, restart your device as restarting the device fixes majority of issues on your device. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.